Now, what's inside BizRise Pro? Well, there's a lot of ways to make money online, and dropshipping can be a good introduction, user friendly way to do it. It can be a side hustle and a great way for your own business to create company swag to get a little side cash coming in. Now, how would an AI powered optimized process assist you in growing and scaling that business online? Let's check it out. So, the first thing would do would be come down here and go into e-commerce. Now, I've already created a product, but in order to do that, you would just click on this plus sign down in the corner and add your details about the product, including a logo or a photo. Now, for BizRiseio, my AI powered web app, let's go take a look. We'll click on that logo right now, and let's go to product social post. You're going to need to promote that product online. Let's make it a little bit more efficient and optimize the process. You're also going to need a product listing, which will include a title and a description of that product, and sometimes a meta description. Let's optimize it to make it more efficient. Let's start with a social post. Let's click on product social post and check out what we have next. What pops up is the ecom social generator. We'll click on that. As you get going, you'll have a list of some of the posts and scripts that are generated for you. And now we land on a page where we have some options. We have our e-commerce product there, and we can do a post in either a strong and engaging tone, traditional and nostalgic, or we can do fun and exciting. For this demonstration, I'm going to do strong and engaging. I'm going to drop my product right in the top there and just let it go. Now, the stars are rocking. What it's going to do is take our product information and generate an e-commerce social post about it to promote it online. When I had created this product, it's based off of our e-commerce website, bluecollarlids.com. This is an example of some of the hats that we have there, one of them being just a standard trucker hat. So it's going to give us a title, a script to promote that hat, a description to post for your product online, keywords and hashtags. It's going to create a separate tweet or X post. And we'll also create a blog post that you can use on your website with the video you created for that hat. Make sure you edit and review and then click Save Post. From there, all you need to do is copy, paste, and execute. That's it. Here's the title. There's your script, your description, keywords and hashtags, X post, and blog post. Copy, paste, execute. Optimize a process. Make an e-commerce store, develop a product, make the social media post for it, move. So that's one of the ways you can use AI to be effective to grow and scale your digital businesses online.